Portsoy is a town with a close relationship to the sea. Located on the stunning Murrayfirth coast, the buildings around the attractive A-listed harbour formed the backbone of the CARS project. The town benefits from a proactive community, some great historic buildings, and is home to the Scottish Traditional Boat Festival, which takes place annually in the summer. Portsoy CARS aim to build on these by regenerating those buildings in the harbour area which were in poor condition, and introduce uses which would encourage a sustainable year-round economy. Two such projects delivered as part of the CARS were the sail loft bunkhouse and the port boat shed.
It's been really great to see buildings around the harbour of Portsoy restored, buildings that were ruined and are now back in use, and also to see local people using those buildings and visitors as well.
The fact that CARS made possible what was otherwise going to be impossible, and the fact that I have to say we received so much very positive help in making the projects happen.
I think the key changes have been to the built heritage of the town, in that we have managed to improve quite a few of the old buildings around the harbour. But also I think the vibrancy of the town, particularly year-round vibrancy, with more people being able to visit throughout the year, that's been a key change as well.
I think undoubtedly seeing the sail loft finally complete, open to the public, and getting such a fantastic response from those who've stayed there. The community has obviously benefited through participating in the operation of the sail loft, and of course visitors to Portsoy, who now have a wonderful 4-star bunkhouse in which to stay.
The most obvious changes are the improvement to the buildings that were in a very, very poor state. The boat shed was derelict, the grain store was in a very, very poor condition, and the sail loft was totally derelict.
And I can't really think of a town of a comparable size of Portsoy which has seen 3 such important derelict buildings so transformed, and that's the real achievement of the CARS, I think.
I think it's fair to say the whole community benefits. Obviously there are those who directly benefit in terms of employment, in terms of a facility, a very usable facility. The people of the town actually benefited because they were so proud of building. It turned into something both practical and very beautiful.
I don't think I've ever worked on a project that has involved the community to such an extent, and really it's down to them that the schemes have progressed so well.
Well, I think the potential to develop tourism in this part of Aberdeenshire is very important, and the sail loft can contribute to that by providing this additional accommodation.
I think it would be very good if we can build on what's been created. The building blocks are in place now for the town to progress significantly. And let's be honest, tourism is the most important industry for the future of this community.